Did you know that a tiny seed, barely noticeable in your palm, can be a nutritional powerhouse? These seeds, though small in size, are packed with an array of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. Chia seeds, originating from a flowering plant in the mint family, have been consumed for centuries. They were highly valued by ancient civilizations for their ability to provide sustainable energy. They were a staple in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets, revered for their nutritional benefits and versatility in various dishes. Today, they are experiencing a resurgence in popularity, becoming a favorite among health enthusiasts and nutritionists alike. This is due to their impressive health benefits, which include supporting heart health, aiding digestion, and providing a good source of energy. Let's delve into the world of chia seeds and discover what makes them so special. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like substance, making them a great addition to various recipes. These tiny seeds, often sprinkled on smoothies and yogurt, pack a powerful nutritional punch. They can also be used in baking, salads, and even as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. They are a rich source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various essential minerals. Just a small amount can provide a significant portion of your daily nutrient needs. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easy and delicious, offering a simple way to enhance your overall well-being. From breakfast to dessert, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone looking to improve your diet, chia seeds can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Chia seeds earn their superstar status as a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. Don't let their small size fool you. These tiny seeds are a concentrated source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber content aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which our bodies convert into EPA and DHA. These are essential for heart, brain, and eye health. In addition to these key nutrients, chia seeds provide a good dose of essential minerals. These include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium, all vital for maintaining strong bones, regulating blood pressure, and supporting overall health. One of the most celebrated benefits of chia seeds lies in their remarkable ability to promote heart health. Their rich omega-3 fatty acid content plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. These factors are essential in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that regular consumption of chia seeds can lead to a decrease in triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Simultaneously, chia seeds can increase HDL cholesterol. The fiber in chia seeds also contributes to heart health by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can nourish your heart and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Chia seeds are a digestive system's best friend. Their high fiber content makes them incredibly beneficial for promoting digestive regularity and overall gut health. Both soluble and insoluble fiber work synergistically to keep things moving smoothly through the digestive tract. Soluble fiber absorbs water in the digestive tract, forming a gel-like substance that adds bulk to stool and prevents constipation. Chia seeds also act as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial bacteria residing in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. Energy and endurance enhancer. Looking for a natural way to boost your energy levels and enhance endurance? Look no further than chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of sustained energy, making them an ideal choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a natural pick-me-up. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in chia seeds provides a slow and sustained release of energy, preventing sugar spikes and crashes. This makes them an excellent choice for pre-workout fuel or a post-workout recovery snack. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also contribute to increased energy levels by improving oxygen utilization and reducing inflammation in the body. Whether you're hitting the gym or simply need a boost to power through your day, chia seeds can provide the sustained energy you need. Bone-building powerhouse. Strong and healthy bones are crucial for overall well-being, and chia seeds can play a significant role in maintaining bone density and strength. Chia seeds are packed with essential minerals that are vital for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body and is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. They provide a good source of this vital mineral. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium to support bone density and strength, and chia seeds are an excellent source of phosphorus as well. Magnesium plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and utilization, making it another vital nutrient for bone health. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is incredibly easy. Sprinkle, stir, savor, easy ways to enjoy chia seeds. One of the best things about chia seeds is their versatility. Their mild, slightly nutty flavor doesn't overpower other ingredients, making them a welcome addition to sweet and savory dishes alike. One of the simplest ways to enjoy chia seeds is to sprinkle them on top of salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Their ability to absorb liquid and create a gel-like texture makes them an excellent thickening agent for soups, sauces, and jams. Chia seeds can also be added to baked goods like muffins, bread, and energy bars, adding a boost of nutrition and texture. Chia seed pudding, a versatile delight. Chia seed pudding has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a delicious, nutritious, and incredibly versatile breakfast or snack option that can be customized to suit any taste preference. Making chia seed pudding is very simple. Combine chia seeds with your choice of milk or yogurt, sweetener, and any desired flavorings. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. The possibilities for flavor combinations are endless. You can add fresh or frozen fruit, nut butter, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, or any other flavor. The science speaks. While anecdotal evidence has long praised the health benefits of chia seeds, scientific research is now catching up, providing evidence to support these claims. These tiny seeds are now being recognized for their impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Numerous studies have been conducted to investigate the potential health benefits of chia seeds, and the results are promising. Researchers have delved into various aspects of health, from cardiovascular health to metabolic improvements, and even weight management. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds as part of a healthy diet led to significant improvements in several cardiovascular risk factors. This includes not only cholesterol levels, but also blood pressure and inflammation markers. Participants who included chia seeds in their diet experienced a reduction in triglycerides, LDL, bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Additionally, they saw improvements in HDL, good cholesterol, which is crucial for heart health. Another study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that chia seed consumption improved blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. This is particularly important for managing diabetes and preventing complications. The fiber in chia seeds helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This makes chia seeds an excellent addition to the diet for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Moreover, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for brain health. Including chia seeds in your diet can contribute to overall well-being and support long-term health. Embrace the chia seed revolution. In a world of fad diets and quick fixes, chia seeds stand out as a true superfood, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. These tiny seeds have been cherished for centuries, known for their incredible health benefits and nutritional value. Their impressive nutritional profile, combined with their versatility and delicious taste, makes them an easy and enjoyable addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, boost energy levels, support digestion, or simply enhance your overall well-being, chia seeds are a valuable ally. They can help reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote a healthy gut. Their benefits extend beyond just physical health. They can also contribute to mental clarity and emotional balance. From a simple sprinkle on your morning yogurt to a decadent chia seed pudding, there are countless ways to enjoy the remarkable benefits of chia seeds. Start incorporating them into your diet and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. With chia seeds, the possibilities are endless and the rewards are immense. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.